Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have a form. Now add structure. Click the Add Section button to create a new page break, then type a clear section title and short description so respondents know what to expect. Once done, drag or add questions into this section by selecting them and using the menu or drag handle. Make sure to reorder sections to match your logic, because flow matters. If you want conditional paths, prepare answer options that will trigger the next step. Next, wire conditional logic so respondents follow different paths. Select a multiple choice or drop-down question, then enable Go to Section based on answer. For each choice, pick the Destination section or choose Submit Form when appropriate. Once done, ensure required questions are set where needed, because skipping required items breaks flow. Make sure to name sections clearly. This helps you map answers to destinations faster during setup and testing. Preview the form and step through each branch to confirm behavior. Finish by previewing the full experience and completing every branch as if you were a respondent. Check for orphan sections with no entry path and repair any broken jumps from answers to sections. Once done, publish and share the link. If something goes wrong, clear your test responses or open an incognito window to replicate a fresh respondent. Often cached answers or editor view cause errors. Finally, update section titles and descriptions if testers report confusion, because clarity reduces drop-off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.